Right now, something is happening at the edge of the universe, and nobody is talking about it. Entire galaxies, billions of them, are vanishing. Not exploding, not dying, just disappearing, slipping beyond a boundary so absolute that not even light can cross it. Once they cross that line, they are gone forever. Not just from our view, from our universe, as if they never existed. It sounds like science fiction, but this is what the physics actually shows. And here is the part that should disturb you most. That boundary isn't staying still. It's moving toward us, slowly, silently, unstoppably. Every single day, our observable universe gets a little smaller, and there is absolutely nothing we can do about it.
Most people imagine the universe as infinite, open space. No edges, no limits, just endless darkness stretching forever in every direction. That picture is wrong. There is a boundary. Scientists call it the cosmic horizon. And beyond it, nothing we send, no signal, no spacecraft, no beam of light will ever reach. Not because there's a wall made of matter, but because space itself is expanding faster than light can travel through it. Think of it like this. Imagine you're trying to walk toward a door, but the floor beneath you is a treadmill, moving backward faster than you can walk forward. You will never reach that door, not because you're too slow, because the distance between you and it keeps growing faster than you can close it. That's exactly what's happening to light trying to reach distant galaxies. Space is stretching, and beyond a certain distance, it stretches faster than 300,000 kilometers per second, faster than light itself. So those galaxies aren't just far away, they are permanently, irreversibly unreachable. And this is just the beginning.
Here's something that will change how you look at the night sky. Some of the galaxies you can see right now with a telescope on a clear night, we will never reach, ever. Even if we left today in the fastest spacecraft physically possible, traveling at the speed of light, we would never arrive, because by the time we got close, those galaxies would have been carried beyond the horizon by expanding space. The number is staggering. Right now, roughly 97% of the observable universe is already permanently beyond our reach. We can see it, we can study it, but we can never touch it, visit it, or send a message that will ever arrive. Scientists estimate there are around 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe, each containing hundreds of billions of stars. That means approximately 1.94 trillion galaxies are already locked away behind a boundary we can never cross. For comparison, if each of those unreachable galaxies were a grain of sand, they would fill every beach on Earth 17 times over. Gone. Forever. Already. But the real horror isn't what's already gone. It's what's coming next. The universe is not just expanding, it's accelerating. Edwin Hubble proved in 1929 that galaxies are moving away from us. That was shocking enough. But in 1998, 2 independent teams of astronomers discovered something that won them the Nobel Prize and should have terrified all of us. The expansion of the universe isn't slowing down due to gravity. It's speeding up. Something is pushing space apart faster and faster. Scientists call it dark energy. They don't know what it is. They can't see it, touch it, or measure it directly. They only know it exists because of what it's doing to everything else. And what it's doing is this: the cosmic horizon, that boundary beyond which light can never return, is slowly swallowing more and more of our universe. Galaxies that were once reachable in theory are now not. Galaxies visible today will eventually redshift beyond detection. Their light will stretch so much it becomes invisible. First infrared, then radio waves too faint to detect, then nothing. Think of it like watching someone walk into thick fog. At first, you can see them clearly. Then their outline blurs. Then you catch glimpses. Then they're gone. And you know they're still out there, but you will never see them again. That's what's happening to entire galaxies, billions of them, one by one, disappearing into a cosmic fog we can never see through. And here is where it gets truly terrifying. Scientists have calculated what the far future of the universe will look like, and the picture is bleak. In approximately 2 trillion years, 150 times longer than the current age of the universe, the last galaxy beyond our local group will cross the horizon. After that, if any civilization still exists, they will look up at their sky and see nothing. No galaxies, no distant stars, just the remaining members of our local group slowly burning out, surrounded by absolute, permanent darkness. They will have no evidence the rest of the universe ever existed. No ancient light will reach them. No fossils of radiation from distant galaxies will remain. The universe will appear to be just a handful of dying stars surrounded by infinite black emptiness. If those future beings develop science, they might eventually figure out their universe was once full of trillions of galaxies, but they will never be able to prove it. The evidence will be gone, permanently. The last photons from the last unreachable galaxy will have arrived and faded. And after that, silence. We are actually the lucky ones. We live in the one brief window of cosmic time where the universe is still visible, where we can still look out and see its true scale, where ancient light from 13 billion years ago still reaches our telescopes. In 1 trillion years, that window will be closed, forever, and no amount of technology, no matter how advanced, will ever reopen it.
Some people hear this and think, so what? It's trillions of years away. It doesn't affect us. But here's the thing, it's already happening. Right now. Tonight. The Hubble Space Telescope has photographed galaxies so far away that the light we're seeing left them when the universe was less than 1 billion years old. That light traveled for over 13 billion years to reach us. And those galaxies, they've already crossed the horizon. They're already gone. We're looking at ghosts. Light from places that are now permanently, physically separated from our universe. The boundary isn't coming. It's here. It arrived before humans existed. We were born into a universe already losing pieces of itself. And dark energy makes sure it never stops. Every second, space expands. Every second, the horizon moves. Every second, something that was once theoretically reachable becomes permanently, irreversibly, not. The universe is not a static stage on which events happen. It is a shrinking room, and the walls close in not with a crash, but in complete silence, at the speed of light, carrying entire galaxies away into a darkness from which nothing will ever return.
So here is the question I want you to sit with tonight. We are alive right now, in this specific moment in cosmic history, the one window when the universe is still fully visible, when ancient light still reaches us, when the true scale of everything that exists can still be seen and measured and wondered at. In 1 trillion years, none of that will be possible. The evidence will be gone, the light will be gone, the galaxies will be gone. Whatever comes after us will never know what we know right now. Does that make you feel small? Or does it make you feel incredibly, almost impossibly lucky? Comment below, because I genuinely want to know.